Satish Kumar here. Welcome to this video on tips, tricks in Microsoft Excel. This is our fifth video. In this video, we are going to see how to send a mail from Excel. For example, if I take this table I want to send as a mail. So not as an attachment, I want to send this data as a mail. So normally what we will do is, we'll select this table using the shortcut key Control A, Control Shift *, you can just press the shortcut key Control A. And I copy this table, Control C, and open Outlook. I'm going to Outlook. You can click on New Mail, or Control again will be the shortcut key for New Mail. And I go to the message body and I click on Paste. And even you can see it will take some time, and the alignment will also be a problem. You are opening Excel and you are going to Microsoft Outlook, copy the data and paste the data in Outlook. You can see it's taking some time, and alignment is not proper. You can see the alignment is not proper here. Alignment and the formatting will not be proper. Instead, what I will do is, let me close this Outlook, and I'm not going to send a mail. I'm saying no. Let me come to Excel itself. There are three methods for activating this Outlook in Excel itself. There is an option available. If you are using the old version, there is an option called as Send to Mail Recipient. Send to Mail Recipient. If you are using the old version, latest version, it will be just send mail recipient. It will be just mail recipient in the latest one. Old version, it will be send to mail recipient. Latest one, it will be mail recipient. Office 365, it will be mail recipient. But unfortunately, this option is not available anywhere on your ribbon or a quad. So if I go to ribbon home insert, it's not available. So how can I activate it? Three methods. You can make a right click on the quad area. This quad area, you have to make a right click. When you make a right click on the quad area, when you make a right click on this quad area, a menu is appearing. Under the menu, there is an option called as Customize Quick Access Toolbar, method 1. So let me do this. If I right click and go to the Customize Quick Access Toolbar, a dialog box will open, method 1. Method 2 is, you can see there is an arrow mark area on the quad itself. Click on the arrow mark area. Under the arrow mark area, after clicking on the arrow mark area, there is more commands available here. Click on the more commands, method number 2. So let me click here and I go to more commands. It also opened the same dialog box. Third method, click on File. Under File, when you click on File, there is an option called as, on the bottom you can see there is options available here. Go to File and click on Options. Click on Option. It opens the same dialog box. Under this, you can select this Quick Access Toolbar. The same dialog box has opened here. You can do any one of the three methods. So I click on the Quick Access Toolbar. On the right hand side, there is popular commands. You know, popular means the most frequently used commands in Excel. In the popular commands, there is an arrow mark available here. Right? Just click on the arrow mark and click on the arrow mark and select this commands not in the ribbon. The commands which is not available on the ribbon, that commands will be displayed here. Correct? So after selecting this, click somewhere else on the bottom. Either you can scroll down manually and find the option, or find the first letter for this. For example, if you are using the old version, you can press yes, send to mail recipient. Office 365 means just to press M, mail recipient. I will press M. You can see the mail recipient. There is an option available here called as mail recipient. So let me click on the mail recipient and add it to your quad. How can I add it to the quad? Just to make a double click on the quad, or just to click on the add button. Either make a double click or click on the add button. So whichever is easier. So let me make a click on add. So it's added to your quad. Now I click on OK here. Yes, you can see on the top, the quad, this new icon is appearing here. Always it will be added at the last. Suppose on the quad, if you have 7 options, it will be added at the 8th one. I have only 4, so it is added as a 5th option. So let me click on the quad here. So when you click on the quad, 2 options are appearing here. I will move this window. 2 options are appearing. One option, it says send the entire workbook as an attachment. That means the entire workbook will send as an attachment. And second one, send the current sheet as the message body. So I am going to select the second one, the current sheet as the message body. Click on the current sheet as the message body and I say OK. Now Outlook has opened here. So what we have to do is, there is an option called as send this sheet. This sheet means whatever the data available in the sheet, that will be sent as a mail. That's one one feature. Another feature, suppose I don't want to send the entire sheet, I want to send only this particular data. When I select particular data, now you can see the option changes into send this selection. Only this selection will be sent as a mail. Your wish. But I want to send the entire table as an attachment, entire table as a message body. So let me click somewhere else here and just give an email ID for which you want to send it. So you can give an email ID and you can give a CC and you can give some tips in the introduction. Introduction, you can put it here and just click on send the sheet. That's it. Now automatically it will be sent as a mail. So let me open Outlook and I will go to the sent items here and I click on the sent items and I click here on the right hand side. You can see, or I can open the file. You can see here. So it has sent as an attachment and you can see the alignment is also proper here. No need for copying and pasting. You can send a mail straight away from Excel. Okay, thanks for watching this video. We'll see in the next video.